A three-day national conference of Vice Chancellors on transformative higher education for Atmanirbhar Bharat was inaugurated today at the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, by the former President of India, Ram Nath Kovind. About 600 Vice Chancellors of various universities participated in this conference. Apart from the AIU Foundation Day lecture, Padma Shri Dr. Bibek Debroy, Chairman of the Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister of India, is also present in the conference.
The country had a very small number of universities, and higher education was out of bounds for most of the people. Even the literacy rate was below 10%, which means that even at the primary level, the number of students was very small.